And this is the Samsung, more upgraded. It's a scratch and dent, but it wasn't a smart washer and dryer set, Samsung brand. And it's one of those that has the apps where you can turn things on and off. And I also have the Samsung refrigerator. So they're cousins. Hey traders, it's me, Vyckiey Of All Trades, and I'm back. I'm back at this Mrs. Fix-It shop. And yes, I got some more stuff to fix. Today, I am going to change my power plug on my dryer. I got into this other house and the dryer has a different outlet. I guess it's more updated and up to code. But anyway, here goes. If I can do it, you can do it. I had to watch a couple of videos and of course read some instructions, and I'm gonna get this done. Come on, y'all. Got a little small screwdriver. Disconnect this faceplate. Pull this cord out and replace it with this cord. This new plug has 4 wires, and it also has 4 prongs, as well as the wall socket has the 4 prongs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do your research. Find out as much as you possibly can, because the guy at Home Depot told me, oh, just wrap some tape around the red wire. I'm like, tape? He's like, yeah, electrical tape. Why wouldn't it be connected? All the videos that I've seen show where they are supposed to be connected. There's a connection for each wire that's here. So don't believe everything somebody tell you. And it was an older guy. Maybe he doesn't know that things have changed in these days. It ain't the 70s anymore. Every wire has a purpose. Do this first plate. It says use copper conductors only. Do not reuse electrical cord. Here's the serial number. According to the diagram, it shows here that the red wire is line 2, the black wire is line 1, the neutral wire is white, and the ground wire is green. And you can see where things are located, and that's how it's supposed to go in the terminal here. So this white wire here will go in the middle with the other white neutral wire. Luckily, it's only screwed, so I don't have to do no major. Bye-bye 3-prong. Hello 4-prong. Now I will attach the new wire. I started attaching these all the way around. To make sure that your plugs are lined up. To make sure the screw is lined up properly. So I'm gonna go back and start over because I think I put these on backwards. All right, here we go. Try this again. Oh, I gotta put it back on the inside. Reading fundamental, follow directions. Did I even have that in there like that before? I don't even think I did. Okay, get this there. Okay, let me put screw this black one on. In the 1 position. That makes it so much easier. It's screwing on way easier than before. And plus, I don't even think I had it on the right way. Okay. Then I'm gonna screw in my red. Screwing much easier. White. This is really quick process. It's not taking forever. One thing that the guy from Home Depot said, he was like, you can't use it. Well, you can't. I recommend you use this instead of the adapter, because that's why we don't sell the adapter, because it's not guaranteed that it's gonna work. And I'm like, are you serious? And I was on the phone with my son-in-law saying, I can't use the adapter. This guy at Walmart said I can't use it. Home Depot said I can't use the adapter, so I gotta use something else. So it wasn't hard to do. It's really simple. Let's see what happens when I plug it up. tight because it was extra tight when I used the other. I also have this bracket here that I have to include and put and install. I'll be done. And this little bracket here. So I just noticed those other videos was doing it wrong. These pieces, this piece here is supposed to go inside this circle. Because otherwise it's redundant. Just to have it on the outside. So learn something new every day. And I figured that out on my own. Didn't need anybody to tell me that. Because I'm Mrs. Fix It. And to put some elbow grease in it. I guess I had to put some elbow grease in it. I guess because it's a new outlet. And now for the debut. Let's see what happens. It's turned on. See, I don't like how they got it in here though. They got it backwards. Lights on. Lint trap clean. Oh, no it ain't. What can I say? It's been in storage. And turn it on. And turn it on. And it works. Job well done. If I can do it, so can you. Let's put it to the test. I need to pay somebody to do something like that. See you later, traders.